I'm with Brian McCourt, and we're here to talk about everything you need to know for your outdoor projects. Let's dig in. Getting back to projects that homeowners might want to do. So they're looking at their backyards, they're looking at their front yards, they're saying, I need to do something to spruce this up, but they don't want to break the bank.
Yeah, I think one of the best ways is to purchase a lot of greenery. You know, an old rotting fence looks awful on its own, but when it has a nice vine crawling on it, you're like, oh, that's charming. You know, so it can really kind of extend the life of those structures that are kind of one leg out the door. And then, you know, sprucing up what you do have. So things like a deck that's in place, the framing underneath is okay, but you can just replace the deck boards.
Yeah.
Things like that are pretty simple. They don't require too much skill, and then it can have a big payoff in the end.
Yeah, exactly. And so if there is something rotting, right, and you have to replace a post, I mean, one of the most important things that we can say at Ontario One Call is if you are replacing that post, even though you think you know where the hole is, you still have to contact Ontario One Call because there could be underground infrastructure that you just missed the first time.
It's really, really important to verify and do your own due diligence and not just assume when you go to do the project.
Exactly. Actually, some of the biggest damages of the most vital infrastructure, gas, electricity, happens when people are trying to replace old posts that were previously in the ground. Yeah, so it's very important to get your locates.